Hello, and welcome to third module of 10x your productivity. So in this module, we are going to learn a really interesting tool which we use internally for like collaborating with team and as well as like doing anything professional. Like this tool will be really great for your work, for personal life as well. But for personal, like I'll prefer a Google Calendar. Name of the tool is Asana. So I'll show you how you can use Asana. So you have to go to internet or like go to Google and search Asana, Asana. Once we are on Asana, just click on first website. Once you're on website, you'll see this kind of look. Just sign in into it. Once you sign in, you'll be seeing at this 4-5 things. Alright, so we'll cover each thing one by one. First of all, and most important thing, all of is your tasks. You can decide like what kind of task you want to do. Alright, let's say I want to do task 1, task 2, task 3. So I can simply add task over here. So I can add task 3 over here. I can hit enter. I can add task 4. Alright, I can add task 5. All these things I can add with simplicity. Alright, and once I have added this, and let's say I have completed task 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on write. So what will happen? So this task number 3 will go to my completed section. So in completed section, you can see task number 3. Once you have completed task number 4, you can just click on task number 4 and it will go to completed section. Alright, so there will be overdue section as well. So let's say once you have added task, but there are some deadlines for tasks, right? So what like how good this will be if you can add deadlines and if you can add additional information for your task as well. Alright, you can do that. What you have to do, simply click on the task. Okay, once I click on the task, over here you can edit task name. You can add multiple people to it. Let's say if you are collaborated with your team members, you can add your team members to this task, and you can add due date as well. Let's say I want this task by 26th. So I'll just select 26, and after that I can add this to project. If I want to add this to any kind of project of mine, let's say this task is regarding my landing page or this task is regarding my website, so I can add this in website project. Alright, so you can create projects as well. We'll cover that after this. Alright, so all these things you can add description as well. Let's say your team members doesn't have any idea about what is task number 5. Alright, so instead of calling them and telling them about this, you can just add a good description about it, and you can paste link in this description. You can do a lot of things like simple text format, and once you do that, your team member can simply look at all the things related to this task just by looking at this description. Alright, so once you are here, after that just click on collapse the task panel, and you'll be having details of this task. This is due Wednesday, and all these things you can add with simplicity. Alright, that is about tasks. Now let's see how you can create projects. What are projects? Projects are basically, let's say there is a broad task, like if you want to complete let's say if you want to build a website. Alright, so building a website has many moving parts. It has server, and it has like front end, back end, all sorts of things it has. Alright, so instead of making multiple tasks about them, it is like project is basically folder of tasks. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'll just create a project. So in this project, I can use template from Asana, I can import it from other apps, or I can create a blank. Alright, so I'll just write website building. Alright, I'll just add website building, and over here what kind of view I would like, it is asking me. Alright, so if you like board view, so board view will be basically in this way. Alright, broad view will be in this basically this way. In this you can just move these puzzles. Like if you want to move this to do in progress to complete, you can do this. Board view is really good, and I use this view, and you can add timeline as well. So this is equivalent to Gantt. I won't say Gantt, but this is like Gantt. Alright, so timeline is also really good. You can use this in timeline as well, and you can use calendar as well. Alright, personal favorite is board. So board, what you can do, like you can just drag and drop, and it feels really satisfying. Alright, Calendar is also good. It will act as your personal Gantt, and without having lot of hassle, everyone will be on the agenda. Everyone will be getting reminders, and this will act as your Gantt chart. Alright, so let me select board view, and I'll click on continue. Alright, and I'll start on adding tasks. Once I'm here, website building, I can add tasks. Hire front end engineer, hire front end engineer. Alright, I can add another task, hire back end engineer. Look for good website templates. Alright, I can add all such sorts of tasks with really simplicity. And let's say if I want to mark this task as completed, I can do two things. Simply just drag and drop it to completed. Otherwise, what you can do, you can also click on this mark, and it will be in your completed section. Alright, let's say I'm on the task of hiring backend engineers, so I'll just drag and drop it over here. So what is significance of this? Basically, once I'm on this progress, everyone in my team will know I am doing this hire backend engineer task. Alright, so this is regarding project. Really good feature, and you can use these projects to collaborate with your team. If you're a business owner, you can use this. If you're a employee as well, you can use this. This is a really good tool. Personally using this, and you can use this as well. Alright, in next tool we'll be look at in next lecture we'll be looking at reporting in Asana portfolio and rest of the things. Alright, so see you in next lecture.